In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an email template in Constant Contact. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your marketing efforts or someone who frequently sends out newsletters, creating an email template can save you a lot of time and ensure consistency in your communication. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting this up. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. If you haven't yet logged into your account, you'll need to do that using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Constant Contact. This is your central hub for managing all your email marketing activities. Next, look towards the top of the dashboard and locate the Channels tab. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu of different channels that Constant Contact offers. Select emails from this list. This will take you to a new screen where all your current and past email campaigns are listed. It's the go-to place for drafting, sending, and managing your email communications. Now, you need to find the specific email campaign you want to use as the basis for your template. Once you've located it, navigate to the right side of the campaign listing where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is a menu icon, and clicking on it will give you several options related to that email campaign. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select Save as Template. This option allows you to take the existing email design and save it as a template, making it easy to reuse or tweak for future campaigns. It's particularly handy if you've spent time perfecting the layout and style of this email and want to maintain that look and feel in future communications. After selecting Save as Template, a prompt will appear asking you to enter a name for your new template. Choose a name that's descriptive and easily recognizable. This helps you quickly identify the template later, especially if you create multiple templates for different purposes. Once you've entered the name, double-check to make sure it accurately reflects the template's purpose or content. Finally, click Save. Your template is now stored in Constant Contact, ready for you to use whenever you need it. You can access it by going back to the Emails section and selecting Templates from the options available. This will keep your email marketing consistent and professional looking, saving you time in the long run. So there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully created and saved an email template in Constant Contact. This process not only enhances efficiency, but also ensures that your brand's voice and style remain consistent across all your email communications. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.